How to install new volume style on Android. This tutorial shows you how to customize your volume panel with different designs and styles. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Next, search for Volume Styles or Volume Panel Customizer in the search bar. Following that, look for apps like Volume Styles, customize your volume panel, and tap Install. Now, once installed, open the Volume Styles app. Moving forward, grant all necessary permissions when prompted, including accessibility and overlay permissions. Afterwards, browse through different volume panel themes and designs available in the app. In addition to that, tap on a style you like to preview how it looks. Once there, tap Apply or Set to activate the new volume style. Subsequently, press your volume buttons to test the new custom volume panel. Moreover, you can customize colors, transparency, and position from the app's settings. Alternatively, if you're using a Samsung device, you can download Good Lock from the Galaxy Store and use the Sound Assistant module for official volume customization. Once applied, your volume panel will have a fresh new look whenever you adjust volume. And that's it. If this volume style customization guide helped you personalize your device, give it a like, subscribe for more Android customization tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.